I bought my Akai MPK49 to experiment with MIDI on my mobile phone. It was very cheap because the previous owner had accidentally plugged in a 9-volt adapter into the 6-volt input, and so it no longer worked. I traced out the circuit board, and there is the diagram that I came up with. Whilst testing out the circuit, I think I accidentally damaged D9. But for you, it shouldn't be a problem, and all you need to do is replace U3. If you've got a hot air soldering iron or a large flat-bladed soldering iron that can heat up 3 pins at a time, it should be dead easy. If you've only got an ordinary soldering iron, try stroking it down the side of the chip whilst gently trying to lift it. It's always a good idea to put some fresh leaded solder on, as this helps the solder to melt. Note the orientation of the chip, as it's the other way up to the writing with pin 1 bottom right. Once replaced, everything should all work again. If you're wondering why this circuit exists at all, it's because when the computer chips start up, they need a nice clean start, and when you plug in the connector from the power supply, it will be a very noisy start. So basically, this circuit delays for a moment and then switches on. Voltage regulators are normally quite good at handling high voltages, but unfortunately it or something else in the circuit doesn't like it. This means when a higher voltage like a 9-volt power supply is plugged in, a large amount of current goes through the MOS FET and blows it up. If it was the other way round and the regulators came first, it might have been a better circuit. But hey ho, this is how they designed it. Anyway, hopefully, with a new chip in place, everything should work again. Good luck.